Should you invest in individual stocks, or is an ETF a better choice? The answer might surprise you. Both can help you invest in the market, but they work very differently. Let's break down the biggest differences so you can understand which option may fit your goals. Flow situation.
First, let's talk about individual stocks.
When you buy an individual stock, you're buying ownership in one specific company. The biggest advantage is control. You choose exactly which companies you want to own. But the downside is concentration risk. If one company performs badly, your investment can be affected significantly. Now let's look at ETFs. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, can hold a collection of different investments inside one fund. That means you can get diversification without having to buy every company separately. For many beginners, diversification can help reduce the impact of one company performing poorly. But ETFs aren't risk-free. The entire market or sector can still fall. So, which one offers better growth potential? An individual stock can potentially deliver strong returns if the company performs extremely well. But predicting which individual company will outperform the market is difficult, hard to predict. An ETF may offer a more balanced approach by spreading your investment across multiple companies. Next, let's talk about fees. ETFs usually have an expense ratio, which is an ongoing cost for managing the fund. Individual stocks don't have an ongoing fund-fund expense ratio, but trading costs and taxes can still matter. Another major difference is the amount of research required. With individual stocks, you need to understand the company, its finances, its competition, and its future. With a broad ETF, you may not need to analyze every individual company inside the fund.
So, which option is better for beginners?
If you want more control and you're willing to research individual companies, individual stocks may be worth considering. If you prefer simplicity and diversification, a broad ETF may be easier to manage. But remember, there is no universal answer. The right choice depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Before investing, understand what you're buying and why you're buying it. And never invest money you can't afford to lose. So, stocks or ETFs? Which one would you choose?
Let me know in the comments, and subscribe to WealthSpark Daily for more simple investing content.